Welcome to Tom Accessories, your ultimate destination for automotive innovation. Join us as we explore a world of cutting-edge car gadgets and accessories designed to elevate your driving experience, all right here on your favorite channel.
Introducing an innovative upgrade for your Lexus GX400 or GX460 that's tailored exclusively for left-hand drive vehicles. This clever device enhances your driving experience with a host of convenient features. Need to secure your car as you step away? Just press the remote's lock button, and all 4 windows will automatically roll up. When you want fresh air, quickly tap the unlock button 3 times within 3 seconds and watch the windows roll down effortlessly. The side mirrors are just as smart. Press lock to neatly fold them in and unlock to extend them back out. For added safety, the doors will automatically lock when your vehicle exceeds 15 kilometers per hour, and they'll unlock as soon as you turn off the engine. Installation is a breeze. Simply connect the module to your car's original OBD port as shown in the instructions, and you're all set in just 3 seconds. Should you have any questions or issues, our dedicated support team is ready to help before you consider a return. Enjoy a seamless blend of convenience and security with this remarkable addition to your vehicle. Forget the frustration of hammering and the risk of damaging your vehicle. This Orion MotorTech wheel bearing toolkit makes the job a breeze. Design versatility. This kit boasts a wide range of sleeves and bushings to accommodate most front-wheel drive cars and light trucks, both foreign and domestic. 2 high-quality sliding screws with precision threading ensure smooth and secure bearing removal, leaving your steering knuckle and strut assembly intact. Crafted from premium stainless steel, this durable tool set is built to last. The sliding screws are heat-treated and blackened for exceptional strength and corrosion resistance, guaranteeing years of reliable service. With a convenient blow-molded storage case, keeping your tools organized and easily accessible is a snap. Whether you're working in your home garage or a professional workshop, this kit is a must-have for any serious DIY mechanic. Rev up your night driving with the innovative Auxito H11 LED Fog Light Bulbs. Each bulb features high-quality CSP LED chips that deliver a brilliant 6,000 lumens per set, about 300% brighter than your standard halogen lights. Crafted with a fanless, all-in-one design using aviation-grade aluminum, these bulbs ensure fast and stable heat dissipation, which maximizes both performance and longevity. Mimicking the factory halogen bulb's filament position, they produce a 360-degree full-angle illumination that eliminates shadows and dark spots, offering enhanced safety with every drive. Installation is a breeze thanks to the wireless, non-polarity, plug-and-play design that perfectly fits your housing. No modifications needed, and you can have them up in about 10 minutes. With an IP65 waterproof and dustproof rating, these fog lights are built to perform in rainy, snowy, or foggy conditions. And they're CAN bus ready with no radio interference, ensuring compatibility with 99% of vehicle systems. Revitalize your detailing routine with the SPTA DAPSET US, a 110-volt dual-action polisher that truly redefines automotive care. Designed to restore the gleam of every painted surface, its powerful 6.5 amp motor effortlessly buffs away swirls, scratches, and defects, leaving your vehicle looking flawless. But this versatile tool isn't limited to cars. It's equally adept at sanding wood and metal. Featuring a robust 750 watts eccentric engine in a lightweight package with easily replaceable carbon brushes, it delivers consistent power and stable performance. The intuitive 6-speed control dial allows you to tailor the RPM from a gentle 2,000 to 5,200 min under no load for delicate waxing and buffing, to higher speeds ideal for deep polishing and correcting oxidation. Enhanced by high-quality electronics that ensure steady speed and reduce operator fatigue. So, click the link below and subscribe to the channel to discover the latest products to upgrade your car. Experience a transformative upgrade in your nighttime driving with the Rcj H11 bulbs. These advanced lights pack a powerful 100-watt punch, delivering an impressive 30,000 lumens, up to 800% more brightness than standard bulbs. The crisp, cool 6000K white light not only clears your path, but also refines your beam pattern so that oncoming drivers aren't blinded by harsh glare, ensuring safer journeys for everyone on the road. Crafted from aviation-grade aluminum, the bulb's robust body offers superior heat dissipation. An innovative radiator design paired with a 15,000 RPM turbo cooling fan keeps operating temperatures in check even during long drives. Engineered as a direct one-to-one replacement for traditional halogen bulbs, installation is quick and hassle-free. Simply plug and play. Moreover, these bulbs have been rigorously tested for durability and waterproof performance, so you can confidently drive through heavy rain, fog, or snow, and never compromise on nighttime driving quality again. If you're looking for a dependable and versatile inflator that's ready for any adventure, the Teromas tire inflator is an excellent choice. Its clever design works with both a 12-volt car cigarette lighter plug and a 110/120 volts home outlet, giving you the flexibility to inflate tires or other inflatables wherever you are. Capable of reaching up to 150 psi, it can pump a P195/65R15 tire from 0 to 35 psi in under 4 minutes, a real lifesaver in emergencies. Its compact size means it barely takes up any space in your car or garage. With a simple interface, you can choose your preferred pressure unit by pressing the R button, then adjust the pressure using the plus and maj buttons. Once the preset pressure is reached, the inflator shuts off automatically. Bright backlit LCD display ensures you get accurate readings in PSI, bar, or kcm, even at night or under strong sunlight. Plus, its long-lasting LED lights add an extra touch of convenience for dark conditions. If you ever encounter any issues, friendly customer support is just a call away. Introducing the versatile Teromas tire inflator, a must-have companion for every driver and adventurer. Designed to work both on the go and at home, it features dual AC/DC functionality that plugs into your car's 12-volt cigarette lighter, as well as a 110/120-volt wall outlet. Boasting a maximum pressure of 150 psi, this compact inflator can pump a car tire from 0 to 35 psi in under 4 minutes, ensuring you're never stranded by a flat. Setting your desired pressure is simple. Press the R button to select your preferred unit and adjust with the plus and daj buttons. The inflator automatically shuts off once the preset pressure is reached. Its bright backlit LCD display provides clear readings in PSI, bar, or kgcm squared, whether you're in bright sunlight or navigating in the dark. Reliable and user-friendly, the Teromas tire inflator is a dependable tool for all your inflating needs. Should you encounter any issues, our friendly support team is always ready to assist. Step up your road safety game with this innovative magnetic rooftop beacon light. Outfitted with 30 high-intensity LED chips, it casts a brilliant 360-degree amber glow that's clearly visible in any weather, from rain and fog to snow day or night. Built for universal compatibility, this flashing safety light is perfect for trucks and other vehicles alike. Its robust magnetic base, paired with 6 secure pods featuring protective rubber feet, makes installation on any metal surface a breeze. Constructed from durable ABS and protected by a crystal-clear PC mask, this beacon delivers maximum brightness and reliability, boasting an IP67 waterproof rating and a lifespan of up to 50,000 hours. Customize your alert with 7 flash modes, including single, double, and triple flashes, plus both clockwise and counterclockwise rotations at varying speeds. With a convenient memory function, this amber LED strobe light is a must-have upgrade for your safety arsenal. Discover a new level of control with our sleek 5-pin on-off rocker switch, featuring a refined SPTA design. Engineered for hassle-free installation, this switch lets you quickly toggle your lights on or off with a satisfying, smooth action. Its standout feature is the dual integrated premium LEDs that emit a soft, ambient glow, perfectly illuminating the intricately laser-etched patterns. so you can easily locate the switch, even in the darkest settings. Built from high-quality, durable plastic with highly conductive pins, this switch is designed to maintain its crisp, clear markings over time without fading. It comes standard with a 5-pin configuration rated at 28 12 volts and 10 8 24 volts, making it a versatile upgrade for most wiring harnesses. Whether you're controlling LED light bars, work lights, fog lamps, headlights, taillights, or auxiliary lamps, this switch is up to the task. If you're looking for a reliable hitch upgrade for your Jeep Wrangler JK, this rear receiver hitch is an impressive choice. Designed with a standard 2-inch square receiver, it confidently supports a gross trailer weight of 3,500 pounds and a tongue weight of 350 pounds. Crafted from uniquely heavy-duty thickness tubes, the hitch offers exceptional strength and longevity. Its robust steel construction, reinforced by thick welds, is built to last, while the sleek black powder-coated finish ensures superior resistance against rust and corrosion, even in challenging conditions. Installation is a breeze with its direct bolt-on design that requires no drilling, and every mounting hardware, along with a plug-and-play wiring harness, is included. The thoughtful hitch cover further protects the receiver tube from mud, dirt, and pests when not in use. Backed by a 2-year warranty from Nylite, this hitch is engineered for both performance and peace of mind on all your adventures. Are you searching for a reliable power solution for your vehicle? This versatile multi-socket adapter delivers 3 ports designed to run your GPS, dashcam, and other portable devices seamlessly on both 12-volt and 24-volt systems. Dual USB charging ports provide a combined 3.1 watts output, allowing you to quickly power up 2 devices at once, thanks to smart IC technology that automatically detects your gadgets for the fastest charging speed. The dedicated cigarette lighter socket, complete with its own switch, helps conserve energy while protecting your devices. Real-time battery voltage monitoring further safeguards your battery and extends its lifespan. Additionally, a built-in fuse and intelligent chip guard against overcurrent, overvoltage, and short circuits, ensuring total safety. With a 2.3 feet extension cord for added convenience and universal compatibility with cars, SUVs, trucks, and off-road vehicles. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us.